Right, here we are today in the old workshop, which will be coming down shortly. It's mostly emptied. I thought I'd make a start on my trailer project, motorcycle trailer. I've got a hold of this axle here, and a couple of suspension units to fit that, and a couple of trailer wheels there. And the plan is I want to make it collapsible or semi-collapsible, so I can get it in the back of my van. So when you're going to pick bikes up, you aren't having to tow the trailer all the while. Just sling it in the back, get there, put it together, load up, and away you go. So it needs to be probably just in 2, maybe 3 pieces. So the plan is, I've got these other suspension unit plates. What to do, weld that on there in the middle, obviously. So that'll be fixed to that piece. Then have another unit, another one of these plates, which I'm going to fit these rails, or weld these rails to, which I think are old. I think they're old bedstead angle irons. So that's the plan for that. And then up the front end, I've got this kit here, which is actually a bolt together motorcycle stand, floor stand. I'm going to use some components for that, so I can make a so the bike will sit in there nicely. So that will go like that up the front, fixed in there. It's not going to stand there. And then there's this bit which flips. Actually go in there, so you can run it in, flip over, and that'll chock the front wheel. Anyway, so that's the plan. Also, I'm just waiting for a tow hitch to go on the front, and some more of this 50mm square to make the actual hitch go on the front there, or the tow hitch. I think that is about it. So I'm going to mark everything up, weld it together. I won't bother videoing that, I'm sure you've seen people weld before, although maybe not like I do. Yeah, at least about that the better. But it will be strong. It may not be neat, but it will be strong. So I think that's about it for part 1, and I'll start doing that now.